Hi, Roadside guy. We're going to shoot a quick video, show you how to jumpstart a 2019 Ford Fusion hybrid. It's a rental car. Customer went in for probably something to eat, came out, the vehicle wouldn't start. Under the hood you can see it looks like a spaceship. So you got your gas engine over here, your hybrid engine over here. On the driver's side right here, you're gonna see a red positive little piece of plastic. Lift that up and off. You'll take your jumper cables. I'm using a GB150 box made by Noco, the Noco Genius GB150. So I'll take my red and plug it into the positive here, which they don't really give you the best bite on it. And then our negative, will probably go right here, and you can see the vehicle is reading off 4 volts, so that's definitely not enough to start it up. We'll go ahead and press the power button on our GB150 box, and you can see it sparked a little bit over there on the positive connection. We're already up to 11.2 volts. We're going to go ahead and hit our red power button to give it a little more juice. Right there. Okay, sir, go ahead and try to start it. We're gonna have the customer try to start the vehicle now, and we'll see what we get. Nothing? You got your foot on the brake? Nothing at all? And your foot's on the brake? And it's in park? Okay. Well, it was a dead battery, but it's showing that we do have enough power now. Let me just adjust our terminals here. There we go. You can see it sparking like crazy down there, so it's probably just a bad connection. Go ahead and try it again, sir. Sounds like it's running now.
Yeah, it says vehicle is on.
Okay, okay. So the engine's now running. You guys can barely hear it there. All right, so there you have it. That is the successful way to jump start it. You can see the charging system is working because now we are at 14.1 volts. So that would mean that the battery is bad, but the alternator is not. The alternator is your charging system, which charges up your battery. And this one seems to be working fine. It's probably just a case of a bad battery or something being left on that drained the battery. All right, well, there you guys have it. The successful jump start on a 2019 Ford Fusion hybrid. Hope this video helped you out. See you on the next one. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.